Okay, so you want to install a keyless entry. That's an excellent idea. This model happens to be Amazon Basics. I found it well built and solid construction. This is the second one that I have installed. Worked great, still works great, have no issues with it. Everything comes packaged well. Everything is brand new from the factory, ready to install. I like to start off by removing all the contents, making sure you have everything as far as tools, basic screwdriver set, maybe a little chisel to remove some wood. Oh, here, you want to remove the original doorknob that you have on your house. If it's a keyed doorknob, you want what's called a pass-through knob right here, a pass-through knob, no key needed, because the only key you want is the keyless entry for your new lock. Just follow all manufacturer's instructions. It's really easy to install. Don't forget this inside mounting plate. That is what holds on the keyless pad. Overall, I found the installation really quick and easy. Remember to install the batteries. That does not come with the kit. After installing the batteries, you want to test the fit of the door. Make sure the latch is getting thrown easily without resistance. Here are some basic entry instructions to start with a pin. Now, the manufacturer's preset programming code is 0000, 4 zeros. So you will start with entering the programming code, which is 4 zeros, then press the unlock button, then press the number 4, then press the unlock button again, then enter your new programming code 4-digit PIN, then press the unlock button. If responded correctly, the unit will close and open all by itself and a green light. Now moving on to the user code, or the actual PIN that you will use daily to get in and out of your door. It cannot be the same as the programming code. It has to be separate. Enter the default user code 1234, unlock, number 1, unlock, enter your new 4-digit PIN, and then hit the unlock button. It will blink green if correct. This can be only for you. You can also do temporary codes for contractors or delivery service and then delete their PIN number later. Now, don't worry if you feel like you've messed up or need to start over. Simply remove the battery cover here, and there is a reset button right there. Use something small, hold down that reset, and it will go back to original factory settings. Your Amazon keyless entry is now installed. It is working perfectly. Congratulations. I bet you can do it yourself.